Hi everyone, it's Michelle with MakingMemoriesWithMichelle.com. Thanks for joining me today. Today is Thursday and we're on day 4 of our Valentine's Treats week. And today we are going to make this great box and we're going to fill it with some Italian chocolate. So it's actually more of a bag than a box, I suppose, but it's super fun, super cute. And if you're like me, I'm done with hearts and cutesy stuff, so let's go to Paris. Paris is one of my favorite places in the whole world, and so I'm going to use the Parisian Blossoms Specialty Designer Series paper, and for my sample, I used the one with the Eiffel Towers and the cherry blossoms, and you know, I've been there twice, and it is just the most amazing place, and I can't wait to go back. So, for today, for you, I am using this sheet of paper, and this is me to a T because it says Paris and amour and bonjour and merci and, you know, just wonderful. And what a great piece of paper to make a Valentine. All right, and on the back, you've got these pretty pool party cherry blossoms. But we're going to put it this side up. So grab your Simply Scored tool. And super easy, we're going to score it on the long side. Make sure that you're using the large end of your stylus for me, okay? And we're going to score at 2 7/8, 5 3/4, 8 5/8. So there's 4 and 5. And then over here at 11 1/2. That's going to be the top. Make sure if you're using a directional paper that you're making sure that the direction is at the top. So I want my words to be facing up. So I'm going to turn it to the left, 90 degrees. And I'm going to score at, wait a minute, I did that wrong. Told you, directionally challenged. So put your words back at the top, turn it to the right 90 degrees, sorry about that, and score it at 1 5/8. So that's the bottom of your bag. Whew. Wow, really almost messed you up there. Now, grab a bone folder and just fold and crease. Now this is thicker paper, so make sure you've got those creases nice and tight. All the way across. I don't know what that was. Dimensional backings everywhere. They're everywhere. All right, so fold and burnish on all of your score lines. And because it is thicker paper, you might just have to fold it with your fingers first. Find your score lines. Just get a good crease, okay? Now, with your paper snips, we're going to cut off this small bottom rectangle, cut right up to that first score line, and then angle that in. And then we're going to angle this one. This just helps it lay flat and have a nice fold. And then, if you will, just cut right up those score lines on the bottom to the horizontal score line. Okay. Now, you might want to use tear and tape on yours, but because snail is faster for me, that's what I'm going to use with you right here. And, oops, I got it all over. So if you don't want to get it all over, grab your silicone mat and just lay down some snaps. Fold it over. And then here's going to be the back of your box because that's your seam. So fold in your sides first. And then these two are going to meet. Now you'll see it just meets just a little bit. So I want you to put some snail on both pieces here, okay? so tomorrow night is Valentine's, and I'm going out with some friends to a comedy show. And I thought, wow, what could I take? So I'm going to fill both of these bags with some truffles and just take them and give them to my friends tomorrow. All right, find the back of your bag again. It's kind of hard. Wow, nice seam. All right, and just fold these in. Just a little bit of overlap. It will hold. And then take that bone folder again and take it from the inside. And just make sure that whatever adhesive you're using is folded down. Now here's the back of my box, and these sides are going to pinch right in. Okay, before we do that, here's some of my truffles. I couldn't just give a bag of truffles. Notice I just lopped off the top. Anyway, so these are, oh, they smell divine. I've never had these, but hazelnut and chocolate and pink chocolate, I don't think I can go wrong. So these are gonna go right inside. Wow, I might have to make one of these for me. All right, and then, now you can use your handheld punch. Let's see. This one right here. And I don't remember which, is it a 1/4 inch? But it's pretty thick, and I'm going to cheat because this paper is really thick. And I do have a crocodile that I'm going to grab. Okay, and I'm just going to put it down. It's just easier for me. Okay. Then I have some of this coordinating. Metallic edge ribbon. It is the petal pink metallic edge ribbon. And I'm going to cut off a nice strip here. And I'm just going to feed this from the back. Truly, I am. And tie a bow. I just love this ribbon, don't you? So one of my friends has been to Paris, and I know she's just going to love this. Now let's make sure that they know it's Valentine. So I have a piece of Whisper White, and you can see it's the one I used with my project yesterday, and my Cherry Cobbler ink pad, and then this stamp comes from the Forever Blossoms, which is part of the Parisian Blossom Suite. We're using the Always and Forever stamp today. It is Valentine's Day after all. Ink it up. That's not very dark. Let's try that again. I'm going to just turn it over. Looks like I need to re-ink that stamp. All right. There it is. I don't know why I call it a stamp. It really is an ink pad. So I'm just going to, this is the second time I've re-inked an ink pad with you this week, isn't it? I'm just going to add a little ink. So don't let a dry ink pad get in your way. Oh, that's going to be better. Okay. I always want to keep those re-inkers on hand, just for emergencies like that, you know. And then I have my heart punch pack. Just line it up. And then I have a piece of petal pink, and I'm going to cut out my scallop. Let's see, which is the good side? That one. All right. That'd be terrible, wouldn't it? To ink that stamp and then not use the right one. And brand new sheet of dimensionals. And then because diamonds are a girl's best friend, let's just add a little bling. And I've got one of the large champagne rhinestones in the center, and then I'm going to add 2 of the smaller right here. And there we go. 2 Valentine's boxes just for you. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you again tomorrow. Bye-bye.